If you want to sound more natural when you speak English, this video is for you. We'll go through 40 of the most common English questions, the ones native speakers use every single day. I'll also explain what each question means and when to use it so you can speak confidently in real conversations. Ready? Let's begin. Do you like coffee? A simple way to start a conversation or find something in common. Are you feeling okay? A caring question you ask when someone looks tired or upset. What is your name? The first thing you ask when meeting someone new. Where are you from? A friendly way to learn about someone's country or city. How old are you? A personal question. Use it carefully, depending on the situation. What do you do usually means? What's your job? Or how do you spend your time? Do you have any pets? A nice way to talk about animals or hobbies. Can you speak English? A politication often used when you're unsure about language ability. Are you married? A personal question. Be gentle and respectful when you ask this. What time is it? Useful and polite when you want to know the current time. Where do you live? Common for getting to know someone better. Do you like music? Great for starting a fun, light conversation. How are you today? The classic question to greet someone and show interest. What is your favorite food? Perfect for talking about tastes and culture. Have you been here before? Great to ask at a restaurant, cafe, or a new place. Do you play any sports? Helps you learn about someone's hobbies or lifestyle. What are your hobbies? A friendly way to discover what people enjoy doing. Can you help me? A polite question when you need assistance. Where is the nearest station? Useful when traveling or asking for directions. Did you enjoy the movie? A great question after watching something together. Are you busy right now? Use this before starting a conversation or asking for help. How was your day? A kind and friendly question you can ask almost anyone. Do you need any help? Shows kindness and willingness to assist. What did you eat for breakfast? Casual question for small talk or daily routine chats. Have you finished your work? Useful at work or study situations to check progress. Where did you go yesterday? Good for continuing a conversation about someone's day. What is your favorite color? A simple and fun question to know someone's preferences. Do you like reading books? Perfect for book lovers or talking about learning. Can I ask you a question? A polite way to prepare someone before you ask something. Are you coming to the party? A casual question for invitations or events. How long have you lived here? Great for talking about cities, homes, or experiences. Do you want some tea? A warm and polite way to offer something to someone. What are you doing now? Casual and friendly question about someone's current activity. Did you sleep well? Shows care and interest in how someone's feeling in the morning. How often do you exercise? A good question for health or lifestyle discussions. What time do you wake up? Helps you talk about daily routines. Are you ready to go? Comment before leaving for somewhere together. Do you like traveling? A great way to start a longer, interesting conversation. Have you met him before? Used to check if someone already knows a person. What kind of movies do you like? A friendly question that can lead to fun conversations about taste and personality. And that's it. These were 40 of the most common English questions that native speakers use naturally every day. Try practicing 5 of them daily. Use them with friends, classmates. The more you use them, the more confident and fluent you'll sound. If you enjoyed this lesson, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video and keep learning new things.